Welcome back. Just 2 days ago, an encounter broke out between security forces and Maoists in Chhattisgarh's Kanker district. The operation lasted for more than 4 hours and 29 Maoists were gunned down in the encounter. Each of them had substantial rewards on their heads. Among them were Commander Shankar Rao, Lalita and Vinod Mandve. Now, 2 security forces personnel also sustained injuries in the encounter. Arms and ammunition were recovered in large quantities from the possession of the Maoists, including AK-47 rifles, LMGs and other graded weapons. The search and coming operation was on by the security forces in the area for many hours, and the motive of the Maoists has been described as a bid to disrupt Lok Sabha polls by the top security officials. However, there is no end to politics over the encounter. War of words between BJP and Congress over the encounter, with the former Chief Minister of the state Bhupesh Baghel demanding a probe into the case, alleging many fake encounters by the BJP government in the past. However, he later issued a clarification and congratulated the forces who fought bravely and achieved success in this operation. Listen into both the reactions.
तो हम लोगों ने फर्जी एनकाउंटर नहीं की, हमारे शासन काल में कोई फर्जी एनकाउंटर नहीं, बल्कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी शासन काल में फर्जी एनकाउंटर होता रहा, गिरफ्तारियां हुई है। और पिछले 4 महीने में वो फर्जी एनकाउंटर भी वृद्धि हुई है और फर्जी गिरफ्तारियां भी नक्सली बताकर आवासियों को बंद करने की लगातार जानकारी आ रही है। कमला जिले में भी सुनने में मिला है। तो आज बहुत सारे लोगों को इस प्रकार से खासकर आवासीय वर्ग के लोगों को डराया धमकाया जा रहा है, या बस्तर हो, कांकेर हो, चाहे अन्य जिलों में इस प्रकार की घटनाओं की अब वृद्धि होगी।
मैं तो जवानों को बहुत बधाई दूंगा और बहुत बहादुरी से लड़े और बड़ी सफलता हासिल की है। जो लगातार जो हम लोगों के शासन काल में जो उनके नक्सलियों को मान में घुस के अटैक करने की जो नीति रही है, उसका ये परिणाम है।
Now, echoing the same, Congress leader Supriya Shrinet demanded a probe into the encounter, but she also went one step ahead and branded Maoists as shaheed or martyrs. This remark by the Congress leader has stoked a massive political storm.
नहीं, मैं इस पे कोई राजनीति नहीं करना चाहती हूँ। मुझे लगता है इसकी बिल्कुल गहन जांच होनी चाहिए और उन सब लोग जो शहीद हुए, हमारे सुरक्षाकर्मी भी कुछ घायल हुए, उन सबको हमारी संवेदनाएं हैं और इसमें कोई राजनीति का सवाल ही नहीं है।
When the Congress is raising doubts over the encounter, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reiterated government's commitment to making Chhattisgarh and the entire country completely free of Maoists. Listen in.
कल छत्तीसगढ़ में सुरक्षा बलों को बड़ी सफलता प्राप्त हुई है। मोदी जी जब से प्रधानमंत्री बने तब से नक्सलवाद और आतंकवाद के खिलाफ एक सातत्यपूर्ण अभियान भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने चलाया है। 2014 से ही हमने कैंप लगाना शुरू किया था। 19 के बाद कम से कम 250 कैंप लगे और सुरक्षा वैक्यूम को खत्म किया है। अब छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस का भी सहयोग जितना इच्छनीय है उससे ज्यादा ही मिल रहा है। इसका परिणाम है कि सरकार बनने के बाद छत्तीसगढ़ में लगभग 3 महीने के समय में 80 से ज्यादा नक्सली ढेर हुए हैं। 125 से ज्यादा अरेस्ट किए गए हैं।
The shameless spokesperson of the Congress party, Supriya Shrinet, has shown sympathy for Naxals killed in Chhattisgarh. This clearly exposes the Congress party that they are supporting Naxal for vote bank politics. Probably Supriya Shrinet has forgotten their leaders being killed by the same Naxals, Vidya Charan Shukla, who was killed by the same Naxals. But today Congress has changed, and today Congress can go to any extent for vote bank politics. I'm hopeful the senior leadership of the Congress will take cognizance and will answer whether Congress support Naxal or doesn't support Naxal.
Sabyasachi is joining us with more details. Sabyasachi, first Bhupesh Baghel and then Supriya Shrinet reiterating the same, the demand for a probe. In fact, also calling those who were killed, the Naxals, shaheed, has only led to an intensified face-off between both the Congress and the BJP.
Well, absolutely. See, Supriya Shinath yesterday called the Naxals who have been killed by the Central Forces as Shaheed, and she has asked for a thorough investigation into this matter. Whereas the former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has said that these encounters are fake, and earlier as well by the BJP such encounters has been done and a probe need to be carried out. And Bhupesh Baghel has said that when the Congress government was there, there were certain policies which were clearly controlling the Naxals, but under the BJP government, there has been fake encounters that is taking place. But he also retaliated and changed his statement where he congratulated the Central Forces and congratulated them for their bravery. Meanwhile, the BJP has strongly hit back at the Congress party. The BJP says that the Congress can stoop down at any level for the sake of votes, and the Congress must have forgotten the time when the Congress leaders were killed by the Naxals. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah clearly stated that the BJP government has been taking strong action against the Naxals, and the Naxals has been limited to a very small area, and in the coming days the Naxals would be completely removed from the country. So clearly, after the shocking remarks from the Congress leaders Supriya Shinath and Bhupesh Baghel have sparked a controversy where the BJP...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.